We're unpacking the Samsung Tab A9 Plus. Alright, so it comes in a little tray. This is the tablet. Oh, my sweaty fingers are on it now. Whoops. It is really, really thin. It does have a camera here in the front and in the back as well. It does have some speakers on the side here and on the side here, and a USB-C port right here, and a microphone on this side as well. Then in the box itself, we have this little second box, which we can open, and there's the cable. And a quick start guide, warranty and stuff like that. And then in here, there is the little pin as well. You might know these pins from the mobile phone, so this one is included. The cable it comes with is a max of 3 amperes, so that's good to know. It's a USB-C to USB-C, so you do need like a plug or something if you want to load it in the wall. You can just plug it in here on the side, on the right side. There's nothing else in the box, it's just glued together. We have this little protection thing, which, you know, I mean, I guess you could use it, but it's just for shipping. We got the warranty, the quick start guide, the little pin, of course, the tablet itself, and the loading cable. So that's all that comes with the Samsung Tab A9 Plus.